this is Eric. How is it going? Today I'm going to share with you some of the work I did for my girlfriend. She recently purchased a Tesla Model 3 with a mid-range battery and was complaining about the slow charge rate when it was plugged into a 120 volt socket. So, over the Christmas break, my buddy Steve and I installed a 240 volt outlet, which upped the charging rate from a very slow 4 miles per hour of charge up to a much faster 29 miles per hour of charge. Basically 7 times as fast. While we were at it, we decided to make some other improvements and added 3 additional 120 volt sockets, which could be used for Christmas lights, Halloween lights, or even power tools. The system was based on metallic conduit, and we mounted it to the inside of the garage walls. After reviewing some documentation from Tesla and looking at the expensive wall mount charger, we found that the maximum amperage drawn from the onboard charger of the car was 32 amps, and decided to go with the 1450 Nema outlet because this car would not take full advantage of the wall unit's increased charging rate. So, in order to feed this outlet, we chose number 8 THHN copper wire with a number 10 ground wire, which by the way is good for 55 amps. And then we used 12 gauge wire for the 120 volt circuit. The power panel uses home line style breakers, and we selected a 50 amp double pole breaker for the 240 volt circuit and a 20 amp single pole breaker for the 120 volt circuit. The wire is routed through 3/4 inch EMT conduit and 4 inch square by 1.5 inch deep metal boxes. All said and done, the overall cost for materials was just under $300, and it took the two of us about 6 hours to install. With that being said, she is very happy with the faster charging rate. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you soon.